What about you, Greg? What do you do?
Yeah, what about you, Greg?
Me?
Yeah. What do you do in the consult? You tell me your role in the consult centre, please, Greg.
I don't know. I just started.
What would you like your role to be?
Oh, I've not prepared any answers.
No, nor had I, so you can carry on.
What would I like my role to be?
We'll do part 2 when he's ready. But come on, you are definitely Mr. Morecambe.
Cheese roll. Maybe a...
Cheese roll.
Go on, carry on, Ruth. Sorry, I interrupted you then.
You're Mr. Morecambe, aren't you, though? You're really dedicated to Morecambe.
I am, yeah. I love it. I love it here. I could not... Well, I mean, first and foremost, for me, I could not work in a better location. It's not possible, other than maybe being on the beach. This is about as good as it gets as a location. You lot are amazing. I can tell that immediately from working with you for only a few days. And I hope to be working with you for a long time to come.
We're not going to let you go anywhere now.
No, I don't want to go anywhere.
Part of the team, your ass.
Yeah.
I don't want to go anywhere now. I would like to carry on learning, because a lot of the stuff I've been learning already is things I've always wanted to kind of develop. Stuff I've always been, I don't know, competent at maybe, but never really truly understood the ins and outs of why certain things are done the way they are. So I'd like to carry on just picking things up and getting to the level where I'm really comfortable with it, because if I get really comfortable at it, I'll be better at it in terms of, you know, dealing with the clients and bringing to the business what needs to be brought to it. And what else would I like to do? Get good at designing. And I guess, I don't know, do a bit of writing and just, yeah, contribute as best as I possibly can to the successes of the consult centre. So, you know, it gets even, you know, goes from strength to strength and gets even better than it is already.
Okay.
I think.
And
Who's
then
your favourite team member?
And you can also put up with us being a little bit bonkers.
Who's my favourite cat?
Who's your favourite team?
You just asked that then.
I was pouting really nicely then.
Owen.
Just an ace question.
Pluto's my favourite team.
Well, Leslie's near enough to punch him. Yeah.
You're all my favourite
There won't
team.
be any more bruise when I come into that office.
Oh, I never said nothing. You're my favourite, Nikki.
If you all just turn your screens off, I'll just talk to you one by one and tell you you're all my favourite.
I'll take that.
I like it.